It says here, what? Let's make your own self-introduction sheet. Alright, guys? So, I'll give you time to answer it right now in there because this is your sheet. And what's written in here? Because this is yours, right? So, it says here, ここに書いてあります。自己紹介。書いてあります。ごめんなさいね。後で渡します。ないですね。なんかゆいさん。そう、2人です。お願いします。はい。It says here 自己紹介。And it's written in the Romaji, but under is the hiragana, correct? はじめまして、and 英語で。下の方は英語で書いてあります。So it says here はじめまして、and then 私の名前は as you can see and check ひらがなで書いてあります。So you have to write here, fill this up. If you have any questions, just raise your hand. Okay, so I'll give you the time right then. Just check. Is that you ball pen? Okay. はい。大丈夫ですよね。書いてみましょう。